It is getting powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. The CEO of the race, Mamelodi Sundowns. Paxa bowling. Ngesipaqo school nge-Heritage Day. Imarumo Gallants ka 10 Malesela. Tashrik Matthews ephakamise isandla. Nabanye ke o-teammate bakhe. Junior Khanya, our analyst. What do you make of the Sundowns game, sir?
Yeah, mana ngikhulunte mfethu ngoba sekuyola akusebsifu.
Udala silapha ndoda.
Yeah. Angikule ngomfethu yazini let me compliment le uthi mancoba mncithi namhlanje. Mina mawenza into egrand compliment. Angithi mawenza into ephuma endleleni I'm going to say it in front of you. I think umancoba today mfethu players sengikhuluma in terms of ukuzidedicate. Compliment to Sundowns players for being professional. I think they approach a Champions League there. I'm not surprised they did won in Champions League before. In fact, you think he came in all in all.
Before you go to the game, compliment to Mangoba Mngwethi. You're no longer thinking he's going to be fired now.
I know, Mina, I'm straightforward. I still doubt him.
Yo,
yeah. Play
what will it take for you to no longer doubt? You are doubting Thomas.
But namhlanje ngamnika compliment the coach. I need to be honest. It's like wherever any player or whoever. If last week I was asked about him and I didn't present himself, no, he didn't present himself. So compliment to the coach. I think the body language of players has changed. Actually obvious. You see the starting 11 is totally different. You see players wonke the mindset has changed. When did you see Allende joining on the box? Atholakale lapha. Ngiyazi ukuthi Mr. 2, but compliment for him running there, especially Edding. I'm very disappointed to dance. Ngiyaqala ukubona uDance amakha mina. Knowing ukuthi uDance is a coach who believe more or less how Sundowns play. Umuntu believe ukuthi nathi kumele sihlale ngama-department, just keep the ball. Labantu abalifuna ibhola. Very obvious ngiyazi when it goes to mhlambi front trigger dance kula ngiba nenkinga khona. But quality ka dance vele ngiyayiquestion nangeke Chiefs ngiquestion ile team yakhe. Last week mabadlala ngayiquestion i team yakhe. Yes, ngiyazi ukuthi coach u believe to play, but the equality of the team all in all anya question. Compliment to Sundowns Faith because I need to be honest, when you play a 2 number 10 or 2 number 8, which is Allende Nomdiba, you need to compliment each other. You need to play past each other. Not good, it's a must, but you need to find each other. And then the team is indominant, which could dominate the game. Compliment to front three Sundowns, which is Reyners, also Matthews. Compliment to right front three, adding a speed. They understand the complement to each other. They find each other, not playing far from one another, and always finding themselves free off the ball. Compliment to Ribeiro. I think it's a man of the match. Content of play of the season so far. I think the guy is doing a lot of damage to pitch, especially my opponent. Decision making. Let alone izinto azenza mhlambe zokuthi createable comedy ukushaya ipayitu, but ushaya ipayitu trying to uba offensive going forward. So udlala indima enkulu. And also Libusa, I need to compliment him and Ukekane as well, and Ronan Williams. Very professional win for Sundowns. I need to be honest.
Yeah.
Azange yabona kule game the way by approaching akon, they start in a high note, they finish in a high note. Yeah, they dominate this game.
You spoke about Coach Dance. Sorry to cut you. You spoke about Coach Dance, and there was a feeling the match as it went on. You lost to Golden Arrows, you lost to Kaizer Chiefs, losing to Mamelodi Sundowns. If this was a 10-0 or 8-0 scoreline, which it could have been, it is possible that it was going to be shown the door by Marumo Gallants. What do you think his standing is now with that club?
That's why I'm about 10 under 20 under 23 national team. Just give him a 10 years contract so that he can groom these youngsters. Just to answer you, obvious, Bazombe go special leave because of directorate we ask, they don't understand the project. Yes, so dance I need to know. Ngiyazi ukuthi la kufuneka ama results somehow. You need to play pretty. Ngiyayithanda pretty. Ngifan ka dance kakhulu mina. Incosi ka Ted leya. Ted was like a father to me. But ngicela ukubona kubana na Sundowns says how they do. We are showing everybody. Ngiyazi ukuthi the quality is different. But you can find players if they can do proper research. Ama play front three whereby they're gonna be so skillful. Players who know to score. Players who gonna play off the ball, who gonna support each other. Complement ama midfield wabo. So Updance I think is lacking up front in Klaling issue. Then when you dlala ngapha right is playing, I'm not too sure he's a wing back or what. It's only him uyambona ukuthi umjita makambili is going to be isolated nodlala ngapha ka-right, nobody is supporting all the team ka-dance, uyazi ukuthi is going to build up bahlalela mabadlala lo mjita odlala ngapha ka-white, there's nobody who's supporting him. Kula ngimcriticize khona, but namhlanje ngiba nevaris was outclassed against the quality side. I think right lo mfana uLindo njengoba ngihleli lapha, this is the best game ye-Sundowns edlalile. Mina ngikhuluma nge-mindset, very professional, hardly losing the ball, technically so good, in fact clean pass. Rivaldo compliment him, ba compliment because igame bayiwina emidleni namhlanje uRivaldo, uMdiba also nalo mfana lo Alende, as ngisho, I think somebody spoke to him. There's no way this Mdiba guy doesn't play. And South African players need to learn. Number 10, udlala njengo Ribeiro. If you want to play number 10, you need to play off the ball, balance, weighing your pass, scoring weight matters most. Also setting abanye abantwana. Thinking, awareness, vision, balance on the foot. So the typical Brazilian player. So yeah, I'm Lomchita Lu is top player. Sundowns we go sign that. When you bring an international player, you need to bring something like this. And Ireland as well. Those are two top class players. Abalete need to mention go Sundowns, including quality. But on the bench, Mkulis doesn't play often. Look at ukutholakala score sheet akusi-easy mfethu. I mean, it's season now, and sometimes they are fit, they look fit, I need to be honest, compared to other team. Compliment to a fitness trainer ngikhuluma yiyo ngithi man, they are so professional, and ile nto mina ngidebate notsong with these guys, except the coaching yamthawutha mina still, but compliment to him today. Is the best game le bayidlalile. Ngiyabona bombabane solo ngikhuluma ngethi this is a Betway Premiership, these players they know each other. Yabo, so compliment to the coach, ngibone ne mindset, the way badlala ngakhona ngespeed, ibhola mali forward, it hardly see going backwards. Sometimes Sundowns they become predictable last season because they build, wait for position ukuthi bagcine ba recruit, but now when they gone, they gone. Yeah. Yes, when it close they come and bring back, but playing quick, one touch, two touch, movement of the ball I think is much better from them. They do it quickly. So yeah, Sundowns mfethu baningi abazothola, bakhona abazothola another 4. 6 goals, 2 games, well deserved, and in dominance in this game. I think we need to be honest. Sibe nevar kule game by deserve, and they dominate the game. The best way to defend is to keep the ball, and when it's necessary, when it's not, when we have to go and score, they go and score. So good goals as well. Namhlanje actually finder. They created those goals and good movement of the ball. Compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns.
There you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Thank you very much to everyone who watched these videos as well. It's been 2 back-to-back matches. We'll come back tomorrow. Kaizer Chiefs taking on whoever they're playing. I forgot actually now. Amazulu at 7:30. You'll see the full cast of the Etiskit members, Etiskit TV team. Etiskit TV, Etiskit Times, was sports betting. Thank you very much for watching us.